So Virts and Wilmore continuing to head out, split up at this point. Virts heading towards the port truss area, P3. Wilmore heading to the starboard side. Both will be installing their booms onto worksite interfaces. You'll hear them called whiffs quite a bit today.
And Butch, just a reminder, your green hook goes to 3212.
3212.
And so Virts now working to get the antennas out of his crew lock bag. EVA officer saying he's right about on his timeline. Wilmore working pretty quick, a couple of minutes ahead of his, already heading back towards the airlock to collect the large bags and then get ready for his next task, which will take both him and Terry Virts over to the Destiny laboratory to remove one of the MMOD shields.
I'm on T1.
Again, there you can see Virts making his way back. This view you can see EV2 Butch Wilmore again in the suit with no red stripes on it. Already staged over at the Destiny lab. You can see that large ORU bag just in front of him.
Butch, once you open that big bag, you can use the straps to help restrain the bag if you needed. And we had handrails 236, 291, or 229.
Copy, Sonny.
And Terry, just a heads up, you're just translating to the lab MMOD shield area.
Copy that. Thanks for the reminder. I'm at 3670, Sonny.
Okay, copy that. You're going to need a wire tie and put your cable in that one.
Copy that.
So Terry Virts already has one of the antenna caps removed. And a beautiful view of the ground as the northeastern part of Canada passes beneath the station, while Virts and Wilmore working to secure these cables to this newly installed boom out on the P3 truss.